Our quick getaway brought us deep into Big Cypress National Preserve, just the two of us, surrounded by endless sky, quiet trails, and the sound of Florida's wild. We only had one night, but it was exactly what we needed. Come along as we unplug, explore, and enjoy a simple escape together. All right, we just grabbed a beer at this place in Everglades City. We're gonna go head to our campground now. It's probably gonna take us a good hour to get there because we gotta go down a 20-mile road. That's washed. Probably an hour and a half.
1 hour?
At least.
Wow.
Yeah.
And I like meeting new people, especially
So,
if y'all got some business.
alrighty, so we're gonna head to the campground. We will see you there.
Okay. See you later.
Drive home, Betsy. All right, we finally got our tent. So this is
2 hours.
This is Carmen's first camping trip. Not going so smooth, but anybody who camps knows you have days like this. So we got here, and literally, as soon as we backed in, it started thundering, and like 10 minutes later it starts raining and picking up. And I've only set this tent up once with the boys on the beach, and that was like 2 years ago, and we struggled, and it literally took us an hour at least, if not more, to set up in the rain. And I'm soaking wet. Carmen's gotten into some dry clothes and wearing my... But we finally got it set up. We had to stop, go in the truck, dry off, watch the YouTube videos. And we had to watch 2 YouTube videos. But we finally got it. We had the rain fly on backwards because there's a zipper on the rain fly. And you would think that would come in the front, but it actually goes in the back. But anyway, so I don't know what we're going to do. We still got a couple hours till it gets dark. Good thing we brought backup to cook. We were hoping to cook over the fire ring. You can cook. There's a fire ban, but you can use the fire pit to cook. But I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that. We do have a burner stove, so we might have to do that under this canopy. We'll see. So.
Are you waiting for the weather?
And it's supposed to rain for another hour or so, and there's a 50%, at least a 40% chance of rain all the way till 10 o'clock tonight. The cool thing is, there's nothing like camping. There's really nothing like camping and hearing the sound of rain on the tent. It's actually really cool.
Yeah.
So anyway, I don't really know what we're gonna do. We're just kind of regrouping and recuperating. We can't really get stuff out because it's raining, and we don't want things to get wet. So we'll just figure. You can always hang them on the side of the bed too.
Yes.
Yeah, because like on the lip of the bed. Anyway, so that's kind of it for now. We're gonna get some tunes going, maybe open a bottle of wine, I don't know.
Please. I need to relax now.
We could sit here, we can get the chairs out and sit here under this canopy.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. All right, so I think we're gonna do that. So now that we got everything set up, we're gonna figure something out. You feel warmer now?
Yes, please. Wow.
That's okay. Alrighty. Ooh, it's kind of chilled. Alrighty, I think we need some wine.
Wow, it's nice.
Yeah, it's a nice one. It's nicer than the one we have at home. Didn't center down too well.
Yes.
Oh, we don't have our wine stoppers. You know, we need to put one. We need to put one in our camping thing to
Yes.
in there so that we can cap it. But we can stick this back in there. It'll fit later. Yeah, we'll be fine.
Oh, nice.
That. You want the lid or without the lid? You don't have to have the lid on it if you want. I'm gonna drink mine without the lid. All right, here's to our first camping trip.
Salut. Good.
All right, let's go sit down. And you know why these have lids? Because when you're on the boat, then it won't spill. These are for the boat, so that you, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, so you can have wine on the boat, and it doesn't.
If your identity is stolen, we'll fix it.
All right, sun is going down, and we are at camp spot 34. There's a few drops dropping, but it doesn't look like it's gonna rain. There's our camp spot. Tucked away back in here. I think we got our fire going, so we can get our burgers going. All right, the rain's starting to come down again. At least we got our burgers on, so I think we're gonna be able to get these cooked before the rain really comes in. Got a good system here with the Brio. I don't like this grate right here. It kind of gets in the way, but what I'm doing is sliding the Brio in and out, so that's just gonna have to do. Here's to our dinner. Boogers.
Oh my God, yes. Ta-da.
Nice. Guess I could turn this off.
Wow.
Good?
Yeah, delicioso.
And we managed to get the burgers cooked before it started raining more. It did start raining while we were cooking them, but the fire's still roaring, so.
Wow.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Wow. Let's go.
Good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What do you want?
Mm-hmm. Well, it wasn't pretty, but we got camp set up and we got dinner made. So I consider it a success. Mm-hmm. All right, that's gonna do it for us today. We're gonna go to bed. We will see you in the morning.
Good night.
Good night. All right, good morning.
Good morning.
We made it through the night. We slept pretty good.
Yes.
It quit raining. Now we're gonna get up, get some breakfast going, make some coffee, that sort of thing,
Coffee.
and relax. Alrighty. campsite. All right, we're gonna go for a walk. Had some breakfast. It's been a good stay, even though it wasn't flawless. Or we already had breakfast. Gonna go for a walk, and then we'll probably start packing up. Maybe do some exploring on the way out. Then head home. Check out these other campgrounds while we're here. How you guys doing? Ta-da! Woo! All right, so that's gonna pretty much do it for us. We got camp completely cleaned up, and we're gonna head on out, head towards home slowly. We might make it straight there, or we might stop along the way. We don't really know. So, how was your first camping trip?
Great.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
All right. So, you know what they say. Like and subscribe.
See you soon the second time.
Yeah, we're gonna make many, many, many more videos. This is just the first one. They will get better, and we won't be getting in camp so late and putting it up in the rain, not knowing how to put up the tent. So
Yes.
anyway, that's gonna do it for us. I think we're gonna end this video here, unless we stop and see something along the way. And if we do, then we will share that with you. But if not, thanks, and until the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you.